Welcome! The team from Gaahleri was kind enough to send me a set of their metallic markers to test. I received the review set for free, but I got no compensation or any specification for the video, just to let you know. The markers come in a practical round box and contain 10 different metallic shades. They are available as a set or individually. The markers use a water-based acrylic ink. Here we have the pens. The respective shade can be identified by the cap or by a color ring on the pen. The markers must be activated before first use. Instructions are located on the packaging or on each marker. First, we need to shake the marker. Press the tip in to release the air. Now pump until the ink appears, and then we are ready to go. To see what the colors actually look like, I prepared two plastic cards, one black and one white, to see the difference. I'm now testing how the pens behave when writing, drawing fine lines or filling small areas with color. The color saturation is very good and you can clearly see the metallic effect. I'm also very happy with the color selection. It includes beautiful shades from aluminium and iron to copper and gold. The markers work on both black and white backgrounds, although I always prefer a black background for better metallic shine. To test the marker even more, I prepared a few pieces from the leftover box with black primer. I'm starting with a turbine piece. I worked very quickly here and still managed to achieve a good result with 4 shades. The paint dries very quickly and you can apply a second coat if necessary. However, you should avoid red on red work. The pens are not designed for that. Next, I took a Sci-Fi panel to gain more experience. The markers are very precise and can be used to paint very small details. You can also color entire panels. To do this, you should apply the paint very fluidly and perhaps a second layer. I wouldn't use the markers for much larger areas, because it's difficult to get a smooth surface, the bigger the area becomes. For me, the markers are a great addition because they save time and produce great results. I like the color range and the practical box helps me to keep things organized. I will be using them primarily for engines, weapons and of course sci-fi projects. Therefore, I can highly recommend the marker set. If you are interested now, please take a look at the description. You will find a discount code and a few links to get to the Gaahleri products. Next time I will show you the Gaahleri Mobius 0.3 airbrush, so stay tuned. I hope this review was helpful. Thank you all for watching and many thanks to Gaahleri for providing the marker set. Goodbye.